Hey everyone, Gil here with Gray Man Prepping. Got another unbagging and unboxing. So, yeah, got another 2 for here. All right, so I'm going to get this one here first. See if I find there we go. Hopefully this will work, but I don't. All right, good. Don't need the box cutter for it. Okay, so this is a mouse jiggler. And has a USB power cord. And basically what it does on this one here, so you line it up with the mouse so it's over the center here, and this thing turns and moves randomly at random times. Has control buttons here and an instruction booklet, couple pages. And so I've been noticing on several times using the computer, especially with one of the older computers that has a automatic. If you're not using it, it kind of just shuts off. Goes into hibernation mode or whatever. And some certain programs have a tendency that if you're not moving it, they pause whatever it is they're showing you and say, "Do you still want to continue?" So if you're just sitting there listening to something while you're listening to a podcast or a video, whatever, while you're working in the house and doing stuff, and you're listening to it because there's not much to watch, and it stops, it gets annoying. You got to go in there and start it back up again. All right, so that's what that's for. I'm going to be testing that one out, and there's a couple others I may, some of the other computers may get for them. So now for the big box here. This is something for the an experiment I'm going to try with the indoor garden to make it work a little. Come on, there we go. Make things work a little bit better with the lighting. This is one definitely tough set of tape on here, man. Okay. I got this big box of a little box, kind of damaged in there. Well, let me get rid of this box here first. And so I'm thinking outside the box. Didn't mean to say that. That was not intentional. But I'm thinking outside the box for what I'm going to be using this for. Pull this out. Make sure I got all the parts out of here. And so what I got here is 2 sets of, I can work here so I can show you. Got 2 sets of file holders, hangers, And what I plan to do is, I can just kind of fake it together here for a moment, is set it up like it's supposed to be set up above the trays that have the small pots in it, for seedlings. And that way I can lay some of those grow lights on top of it and let it sit there above it and give light to the plants and stuff. And then give it. Well, I don't have to use the big 4-footers. I can use the short 2-footers and get something to grow a little bit better. So that's what I got for that. And tomorrow, hopefully, this will be posted on Saturday. So hopefully sometime Saturday, I'll shoot another video showing how I'm using those lights I got a couple days ago to with this, and another way I'm working on it to provide light for the plants for the indoor garden. And speaking of the indoor garden, plant something indoors this year, because no matter what you grow, it's going to be a lot healthier than what's in the store. Remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and learn a new skill every day. Every day. Yeah. Learn a new skill every month, and I'll see you in the next video.